Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video tutorial, I'm going to explain how to install NuGet packages using Visual Studio. So let's start. So first of all, open your Visual Studio. So once you open your Visual Studio, over here you can see this is my sample project. So into this my sample project, I want to install a NuGet package. So to install a NuGet package, just right click on this solution or this project. So once you right click over here, you can see the options like this. And here is the option manage NuGet packages. So click on the option. So once you click on the option, it will open a new window. So into this window, you can see the three tabs. One is browse, install and updates. So click on the browse option. So once you click on the browse option, over here you can browse all the packages which are available to install. So now type the name of the package that you want to install. So in my case, I want to install newtonsoft.json. And over here you can see the first package which is newtonsoft.json. So this is the package which is basically used for serialization and deserialization of data. So once you click on this package name, on your right hand side, you can see the different types of versions which are available for this package and all the information which is related to this package. So to install this package, select the version that you want to install and click on the install button. So once you click on the install button, it will ask you Visual Studio is about to make changes to this solution. So click on apply. And over here you can see the green tick mark on this package means this package is successfully installed into your project. So if you want to see the install packages, so click on the install tab and over here you can see the newtonsoft.json package is successfully installed in our project. So in this way we can install NuGet package in Visual Studio. So if you want to uninstall this package, just select the package and over here you can see the uninstall option. So if you want to uninstall this package, just click on the uninstall option. It will again ask you for the confirmation and click on the apply. And from the install tab, you can see the package is removed. So in this way, we can install and uninstall NuGet packages using Visual Studio. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.